Queen, 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 queen. Ooh. Queen, 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 queen. Oh. Brooklyn and Queen. Do, 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 do. Jill's comfort zone in her home. Keep watching all her videos.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Jill, Jill's Comfort Zone. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I love making these videos with you today. I am cooking a whole bunch of things today, as you'll see on another video before this. Anyway, so today I am focused on making keto cornbread. Yes, guys, you hear me, keto cornbread. Am I doing a keto diet? Nah, but I just want to see how this blends up without using flour. And I don't know. I'm looking forward to this. And I tried it, think one time. It didn't rise for me. So I'm hoping today will be that special day, that magic day, that because I'm filming and coming to you with this recipe, that it will rise to my liking.
Occasion.
Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Tell me if you made keto cornbread or not. How did it come out? What did you use? So that would be great. And don't forget to subscribe. You're here, you might as well subscribe. And hit that little bell thingy down there so you'll see when the next recipe video, oh no. When you see when Jill's Comfort Zone coming to you from my home to your home with the next video. So we're going to do this, guys. I'm hoping that this works out. And don't forget. So let me show you what I got here. So I'm going on in it. I'm going straight to it. So I have some baking soda here. I have some almond flour. I have some coconut flour. I have some Trivia. And I have half and half. Last time I tried this, I had heavy cream. I think, look, the same to me. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe not, but we'll see. I have 3 eggs and some butter. I will give you the measurements when I come back. So we're going to try this baby and get it whipped up here. And I will be back to show you how we blend this all together. Hey guys, welcome back, welcome back. Getting this batter mixed up for our keto cornbread. And maybe I should have used my smaller, because I do have a smaller cast iron. But you know what? We're going to go with this one today. Hopefully it rises to the occasion. And my pan is heated because I rinsed it. It's my light skin casket iron. My light skin one. I'm still treating it to get it dark to where I need it to be. But it's going to get there. I don't cook in it as much as I should. But I'm going to treat this baby tonight. So there's my butter. And it's ready. Oven is preheating. And hopefully this will rise for the occasion, okay? Mama just hoping. Let's see. It just looks so watery though. Right? Oh no. And that's why it didn't do what it do last time. It didn't rise. So, I don't know, guys. What I used for this was half a cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 3 large eggs, half a cup of half and half, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and that is all our ingredients. So, I don't know, guys. What y'all think? Should I? You know, sometimes you gotta go a little, I don't know. You know, I hate measuring. And I don't know. I think I want some more something in here because it ain't doing. Make sure it's over there.
It is something.
I don't know. Should I? It won't hurt it, right? A little bit more almond flour.
Coconut.
And I don't want that coconut flour.
You just put some coconut in there.
Oh, I put coconut. Ah!
So that has a finer, floury.
No, it's just sweeter. I don't want to taste coconut, though. You know what I mean?
Gritty.
Dang it. See your girl jacking up now. I'm going to put a little bit more of this almond flour in there. See? I pray this come out right, guys. I hate measuring, okay? But this is too watery for my liking. Okay? Now that's looking like a batter. You know what I'm saying? I need to make sure that was watery. I'm like, they ain't gonna rise.
Oh, maybe because we had the cheese and bacon.
No. It's supposed to be like cornbread mix. You know? Now that's the consistency I'm going for. Okay? I understand it ain't Jiffy's or your normal flour and base, but and we want to get the lumps out. There ain't no lumps in here. Okay, so we got that going on there. I'm about to place this in. I'm going to just do a splash. Look, splash an extra a little bit of everything. Maybe it's because, I don't know, half and half. Can't go wrong. How much sugar you put in there? Right.
1/8.
We said 1/8 for sugar. Did I say sugar, guys?
No, we added our own sugar to it because
Yeah,
we wanted
sorry.
to be plain.
So a little trivia is in here. Sorry. And there we have it. So we're going to get this baby in this pan. And then pop this baby in the oven. Oops. All right. There we go. So I made sure I buttered that pan nice and well. Let me wipe this off a little bit. Little bit. Oh, splashing everything all over the place, huh? All right. So, that's ready. And then I'm about to pop this in the oven, and we're going to cook this for about 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to set my timer on 20 minutes. And let's see how this rock and roll, guys. So I'll be back to let you see how this turns out. Be right back. Hey, welcome back. It didn't rise to my fully liking, you know. I can't never get it to rise to the fullest potential, but yeah, you know you got to top some more butter on this paste. Oh yeah, butter. All right, guys, dinner is done. So that concludes to our cornbread. Let me see. I want to cut me a slice of this cornbread. Cornbread. Just to see how this is turned out. So let me slice this. I hate slicing stuff first, you know what I mean? I really do. Because my slices be crazy all over the place. You know what I mean? Look, uneven.
There's two were right.
So, yeah. I think I need something slimmer to go down the side. I need me a nice half one. I don't know where it's at. Okay, it don't want to come out. This look like a a piece of pie. Look at that.
Some cake.
Look like a piece of cake or something. It's so flat. Guys, don't laugh at me, okay? You look at my poor cornbread. All right, we ain't gonna judge the look. Let's taste it. Let me see what it's hitting for. Oh, it melts right in your mouth. My God. I'm gonna master this, okay? I'm gonna get this cornbread. The rice. I'm probably gonna double. Ooh. I'm probably gonna double the ingredients next time. I can get me a nice fluffy. But this, right, child? You're gonna love it. So there you have it. Keto cornbread, guys. It's flat, but it's good. Oh my God, it's good. Trials and errors. That's what it is. My cooking show is always gonna be some mix up. Some good and better than others. But I'll come back to you with this when I master it the next time. I promise you. Anyway, folks, it's time to eat. I'm ready for dinner. And so, thank you, as always, for coming to Jill's Comfort Zone to visit us. I enjoy cooking for you as well as you watching me. I enjoy all the likes and shares and the support you guys are giving me. I am truly psyched, guys. Keep it going. Subscribing is going up. I think I'm 45 subscribers now tonight. I've been doing this for 2 months. So I think that's a good thing. New face on the tube. So it's all good. So please do like, share, and comment down below. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. What it won't rise. I don't know. But anyway, yes, please like, share, and comment down below. Let me know what else you want to see me cook next. Also, just give me some ideas of how I can make this dish a little bit more better, or what have you tried. And don't forget to subscribe. What are you waiting for? You're here, right? Might as well hit that button and hit that bell down below so that you can stay tuned to new recipes coming to you from Jill's Comfort Zone, from my home to your home. And as I always say, I love you guys. Stay blessed and peace out. This Brooklyn girl about to eat. I'm hungry. Later.